Henry Ford said, "Coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success." Here at Pioneer Technology Center's Business and Industry Services, we do just that. Meet the team of individuals who work for your success, providing programs and services to our district communities and beyond.
Have you ever explored government contracting for your business? Well, you should, because they spend over $500 billion annually, and they are the largest buyer of goods and services. Doing business with city, county, state, federal, and tribal governments requires some specialized skill, and I just happen to be your local guide to all things government contracting. Last year, I helped businesses earn more than $73 million in local income from these opportunities. Don't let $500 billion slip through your fingers. Contact me today.
Pioneer Tech's certified business and incubator is designed to nurture the growth and development of startup businesses. Our low-cost workspaces also include mentorship, expertise from business and industry team coordinators, tax advantages, and perhaps most importantly, low overhead costs to get your business through the startup stage. The goal is to graduate your business from the incubator to another location while being financially healthy. In addition, this program can foster continued growth through the small business management. It is client-driven with one-on-one assistance in areas of human resources, business operations, as well as safety and compliance. Contact me anytime at Pioneer Tech and be added to our monthly email blast that keeps you informed about education opportunities for district small businesses.
Today's business world is challenging. It's fast-paced and competitive. Do you ever wonder how your company can keep up? The answer is Pioneer Tech Business and Industry Services. From leadership management development, in my program, I create flexible training for your employees and management staff to grow their skills and productivity. Whether you need a company retreat, meeting facilitation, or simply motivation for your employees, we can help. Don't let a rapidly changing business world frighten you. Empower your employees today with training to transform your business for the better.
Did you know that there are over 78,000 farms in Oklahoma? And 96% of those are family-owned. Helping local farm and ranch families is my passion. At Pioneer Tech, we offer agricultural services and quicken record keeping, assistance with preparing farm plans, farm loans, financial statements, marketing, and tax planning. Through training and education, I'm here to help local farmers and ranchers meet their goals and their needs. Let my passion make your agriculture legacy thrive.
Starting your own business is tough, but guess what? You don't have to do it on your own. My services are designed to offer professional assistance for business plan preparation, a loan proposal, or financial projections so you can have the money necessary to start a business or expand an existing business. I'm also an advisor with the Oklahoma Small Business Development Center, where classes are offered for business owners at any level. Call or visit me anytime for information about one-on-one counseling sessions at Pioneer Tech. Remember, you're not alone. I'm here to help your business come to life.
Each year, thousands of people are injured or killed in accidents on the job that could have been avoided. In Pioneer Tech's safety training program, we deliver safety training related to your specific business needs. This customized training can be held on the Pioneer Tech campus, the client's facility, or other appropriate locations. Check out pioneertech.edu/safety training and scroll through the many class options available to you. If you don't see what you're looking for, no problem, we will customize. Remember that safety doesn't happen by accident. Contact our team today.
Adult training and development can help you find a career, enhance your skills, or introduce you to a new hobby. Welding, CNA, CPR, PC repair, photography, and more. Check out our many class offerings on the PTC website. You can also choose from hundreds of online courses ranging from 6 weeks long like QuickBooks and grant writing to year-long courses like medical coding and billing. AT&T classes run all year long and we're always looking for new ideas and instructors. Let us know if there's a class you'd like to see offered. Remember, check out pioneertech.edu to enroll in our short-term classes.
As we rise like a phoenix from the ashes of 2020, our team is exploring new ways to provide professional and workforce development to you, our clients. Through our partnership with Central Tech, we provide CDL prep classes as well as truck driver training right here on our campus. Also, our Emergency Services Training Center is fully equipped for law enforcement and fire service classes offered for a multitude of training needs. Call me. I can design customized classes for your business. That's right, your time, your place, your way.
Hola, mi nombre es Silvia Urioste y ayudo a los negocios a la capacitación para sus empleados. Our district has a vast diversity of culture. Not only can I assist area business and industry with Spanish interpretation, I also work closely through partnerships with the area tribes, like the Ponca, Kaw, Oto, and Tonquah. We offer customized training for different departments within each of the tribes, from customer service to team building, you name it. We can help. Connect with me and we'll find training that's just the right fit for your company's diversity and culture.
My role is to offer resources and programs like those offered through the Business and Industry Services team here at Pioneer Tech. These efforts can ultimately help my clients improve their bottom line. Resources such as engineering and technical assistance, business-to-business collaborations, export assistance, new product development, improving workflow processes, and quality control. Contact me today to help your manufacturing business grow.
The Pioneer Tech Business and Industry Services team believes in you and your company. We work hard for your success. It's your time, your place, your way. Call us today and let us help your business thrive.